Today we are going to have a charming day. Guess what? It's all about charms. Yes, it's all about charms today. So if you're in love with charms, particularly Coach charms, then come back because I have a lot to show you today. Hey, Bean Beauties, thanks for coming back. We are doing a collab today, a content creator collab with none other than Winnie B. LV. I'll put her up here somewhere in case you don't know who she is, but I am sure that all of you out there in the tubes in the luxury community know who Winnie B. LV is. But her and I got to talking, and we both discovered that we've been holding on to some charms. We've been collecting charms, like collecting and collecting charms. We both have a love for charms, and yeah, I have this box and three boxes over here, and I'm also going to add in a little bit of extra stuff for you. So please stay with me as we do that. Right off the bat, we're going to get started with this one. Okay, so I have three charms in here. One, two, three. So Coach was having a sale, and I think I got these for two of them for $45 and one for $27.20, and one's actually a gift for Father's Day, which I think that's this one. But yeah, so here it is. It looks like a hang tag, and then it has a surprise here inside. So they can hang it on their keychain or wherever, and it says Coach right here on the hardware. So I thought that was pretty good find for $27, and you always are in need of a bottle opener, and that's kind of just a nice little either Christmas stocking stuffer, but it's also a great little extra gift since Father's Day is coming up. So let's see what's in here. These next two are for me. Okay, so this one right here is the heart charm. And I got this one for $45. It's really pretty. Has the little C's on both sides. And of course it's got the gold hardware. So I am loving that. Our next charm here is, this one also was $45. And this next charm, it's supposed to be the dice. And look at that. Isn't that so pretty? I mean, how can we pass up? And I know there's some people who don't like to put stuff on their bags and they say it's too childish. Well, that's okay. I'll be childish. I'll be childish for all of us. I love them. This one right here was a FOMO, a FOMO buy on my live. I did a live. I will just put in the link and you can go in there and see me purchase this during one of my lives because I had been seeing it and I've been wanting it. If you can tell from the packaging, this is from the retail side. The other ones that I opened were from the outlet side. I don't discriminate. It's whatever catches my eye, and especially if they're on sale. I had been watching this, and nobody had opened it. And then all of a sudden, the week of the live, because I thought, okay, well, they haven't sold out. So the week of the live, it's like everybody was unboxing. And then they were telling me that Winnie B had unboxed one, and I was like, no. And then later on, David from David's Closet, and I saw him unbox one. I'm like, no. And then Scotty was in my live, and he says, I bought one too. I'm like, no. So I had to buy one. But of course, I'm always late to the game. And I got the big giant hang tag. Yes, I know. I was talking to Melissa from Simply Lady M, my YouTube BFF, and she says, do you know how big it is? And I said, yeah. So Melissa says, do you know it's $55? And I was like, yeah, I know. It's only $55. And she's like, no, it's $55. And I said, I know, it's only $55. As charms go and what I've paid before, then that was a steal. That was a steal. So I had to have it. I've been trying to downsize, financially downsize. I've been trying to be careful. We've had some financial things happen. I'll have a live that will have all of that this month about what's going on. But I was in Scotty's live, and one of the chats we were talking about was this, because he already had one, and I was trying to wait till payday, and it sold out. So I was still hunting it, and I found it. Here it is. And I'll have some story time regarding the large hang tag and this one. at the end. So those of you who don't want to stay for story time, then you don't have to. And at the end, if you're interested in hearing story time, I'll stick it at the end. But here is the dinosaur, and it's so cute. It's so cute. What was also on sale, it's a strap. So this is not a charm. That's the end of the charm. So if you're here just for the charms, then you can go now. You can go now, and thank you so much for being here. I will be having a purchase on the 25th, which is my YouTube anniversary. And I'm thinking this might go with that purchase. But it was on sale for $39.99. Went on sale. So I thought that the particular boxing that's coming up on the 25th, it's a doozy. It does not come with one of these, but it's actually a double unboxing, y'all. And I'm thinking that this will go with it. So here is the Coach strap, and it's the web strapping. It has Coach's logo on there, just ever so faint. You know, you can see it really well here. You probably can see it there. It has silver hardware, and I think it definitely will be long enough. But, you know, I always get extenders to add to it if I need to. But I got it, too, because it had this, and then I can add charms to it. Charms, charms, charms. See, so it has to do with charms. It's just not a charm. But isn't it all charming? And, y'all, okay, because I did buy a bag. This bag is a tiny bag, and it is a very special bag. I found this vendor through Caleb Snell's membership Discord group, and she hand makes leather items. And so the name is Gems by Jenny, and the Instagram, I'll put her Instagram up here. Her Instagram name is also Gems by Jenny 123, but I'll put it up here, and I'll try to link it below. She's also a fellow Texan, so I had to support my Texas artisans, and this is really neat. This is her card. Isn't that cool? This is her card. Very cool. So she makes shape bags, shapes of, it's packaged very well. And she has a dinosaur bag, she had a bat bag, and they sell very, very quickly. She had told me that she was coming up with some other animals, and I said, oh, if you do these other animals, please let me know, because I might be interested. So she gave me the first crack at it. Here it is. So yes, it's a penguin bag. It's so cute. And it's a functioning bag. She has a zipper back here. She sent me pictures, and she has it stuffed. And let's see. I don't know what you can put in it. I don't know if I'm going to wear it. I don't know if it's going to be just a art bag where, you know, it'll sit on its shelf and look pretty. But I'm curious to see the inside. So the opening is not very large. Here's my iPhone 14 Pro Max, but so okay, it's not going to fit in there. It's not going to fit in there. If you have a smaller phone, though, it might. But just so you'll know for size reference, and that's about how much it sticks out of. But you know, I didn't really necessarily buy it for that. Didn't necessarily buy it for that. But here, isn't she so adorable? Absolutely adorable. She does have a strap to come with it. Like I said, I don't know if she will necessarily be something that I'll be wearing, but she's so adorable. She's so adorable, and the stitching very well done. So I just thought this was an appropriate time to unbox her, because Winnie B is all for different little bags like this too. So she might be jealous. Winnie, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. I've got the Instagram here for y'all in case you want to go get something for her. It was very reasonable. I think it was $100 for handmade leather, handmade, and you know the person, and she's here in Texas. Very, very well done. I think it's really cool. So we have this, and we have this shapes. Okay, animals. We have this. We have this. We have the gift. We have the dice and the strap. Okay, Bean Beauties, that was it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you've stayed to the end and you want to hear about story time, then let's go over and listen to story time. Hey Bean Beauties, I wanted to tell you story time about the hang tag. I saw the hang tag, and in my mind's eye, I saw that it had the zipper, because I've been hunting that hang tag that's a coin purse. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it because they redid it and it's easier. I haven't been able to find one, or I found a couple on eBay that have the zipper, but they're like want a lot of money. And one of them is from a Japanese seller. And if you know my channel, I've had a little trouble with Japanese sellers selling me inauthentic Coach items. So I really didn't want to go there. I mean, I thought that's what it was. And when I discovered that it wasn't that, that's when I put a pause on buying it, because as soon as I saw it and it hit the website, I wanted it. Because I loved the big chunky little beads, and I just liked it. So I put a pause on it. But then when I saw it opening, as you saw in the video, then yeah, I had to get it. So that was a little story time about that one. This one right here is the Dinosaur. I wanted it, and I knew I was going to grab it because I had seen Scottalicious McFabulous's video, and he was talking about things like this, especially when they're coin purses, how quickly they go, they sell out, how quickly they sell out. I went to go buy it, but I was just trying to wait, and it sold out, and I was like, oh, I didn't want to miss out, because I knew that although this was expensive, I would be hunting this down later on eBay. So I was just kind of looking around, and I found it at Dillard's. So I think the last I looked, so I'm recording today, Monday, March the 31st, the last day in March. You won't be seeing this till mid-April. It was still at Dillard's. They still had plenty at Dillard's. So if you're interested in it, and if it lasts, check out Dillard's. But that was a story time with this one, is that I wanted this one all along, just like this one. From what I've learned from myself and what I've learned from Scotty, but the way I try to approach my purchases, especially on things like this, is will I be hunting this down later? So when they're not on sale, like this one's, it's $45, and it was more expensive when it came out, and this one, the dice, also was more expensive when it first came out. And when they first saw them, I'm like, are these items that I'll be hunting down later, that I'll be waking up in a month or two, and I'm like, I should have got it. So since I am that person who will hunt down, and I have paid lots of money for past charms, I thought, okay, I'm here and now I'm going to grab it. So that's one of my tips to you, is if you see something like this, especially like this, if you see something like those and you're debating on whether or not you should purchase it or not, then just tell yourself, will you be hunting this down later in the secondhand market? And if you are, then would you rather pay the price now or pay the secondhand market? Because with the charms, for Coach, they will go up. You can hardly ever find them for less than what they put them on there. It's very, very rare. And something like this, definitely. All right, Bean Beauties, that's story time for today. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. And if you are till the end, hey, put in a dinosaur. Put a bunch of dinosaurs and let me know that you stayed to the end. And let me know how you're liking story time at the end versus in the middle of the videos. I'm trying to grow my channel, but still stay true to myself, and try not to bore people who don't want to be bored, or still want to see the unboxing and reviews. So I'm trying to compromise. All right, Bean Beauties. Love y'all so much. Bye.